Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create your Google account. Today we are diving into something really particular. So step by step, follow this tutorial. Now, we all know how important email is these days. Whether you are signing up or for services or staying in touch with friends, applying for jobs or just receiving those endless newsletters. Gmail has kind of become the go-to-go platform. But here is the thing, while millions of use it, not everyone knows the exactly steps to set up properly, especially if you are doing it for the first time for someone else like a child or even for your businesses. So in today's video, I'm going to walk you through the entire process of creating a Gmail account from the scratch with the tips keep your account secure and organized. First of all, you have to come on this your browser and search for Gmail Google account creator. Now, from here, just simply click on the first link, create an account. So you will be redirected to the this kind of interface where you go to account .google.com. You can just simply go. You can search, for example, uh, create account .google.com. So it will redirect it to this kind of interface. From here you have to choose. I have already an email, so I will get this kind of interface. But if you add account, you will get to see this kind of interface. Now, at this stage, Google is going to ask you who is this account is for. You can just click on the create account is for your my personal use or for my child or for my work. Most people go with for myself, but if you are making an account for your business or family, make sure you choose the right option. So I will just simply go with for my personal use. Now, next you will be asked to fill in your first name or last name. For example, I will just simply put the John and the surname is Smith. They will this will be your where here you have to put your date of birth. In preferred name it take don't worry, Google will offer few suggestion or you can try adding number or middle initial to make it unique. Then come to this over here, add your birth date, November 2001 and the gender male. Just simply click on the next. Here you will get to ask your username. Now, for example, I have already entered my name, so I will, for example, I want email like John Smith. So just use your existing email. Next. So this isn't available, so if I put some number again, this username is already taken. Try different more. So let's see, try in a different way. So this username is available. So this is a username. So it will appear like Smith Johnny 121 at the rate gmail.com. So just simply click on the next, and over here then come the password. This part is really important. You want to pick something secure, mix uppercase, lowercase letters and some numbers and maybe a symbol or two. For example, what I will do, I just enter the email password. Make sure you remember your password. So first your password, then confirm your password, then click on the next button. Now we get to answer the part of the process, verify your phone number. This step wasn't always required, but Google made it mandatory to help cut down spam accounts and to keep things secure. So enter your mobile number. Google will send you 6-digit code by text. Just type that code into verification box and hit next. Pro tip, one phone number can only be linked to a limited number of Gmail accounts. So if you have used number for too many signups, it might give you an error. So keep in mind. After the verification, they will ask you to enter the recovery email address. If you don't know about recovery email address, if you forget your password, what you can do is you can just simply get a verification code on the different email address. You can use of your friend or your family. If you don't want to use any recovery email, you just simply click on the skip. Now this is my uh, email address. Just simply click on the next and agree on the. Now come the final fine print, you will be show Google privacy policy and terms and services. Give it a quick read. I know nobody really does it, but then go ahead and click on the agree. Just and boom, just like that, your Gmail account has been created. Now that you are in, it's good idea to personalize your account. You will be taken to Google Accounts dashboard. Here you can add your profile. uh, from here you can change your profile. You can change your username and explore Google apps like calendar and drive and more. To set your profile photo, click on your icon in the top right and just simply click over here and just simply click on this pencil icon. It will add a profile picture, so just simply click on this and it will take you to your computer's file manager. Just simply select the photo which you want to use as a profile pic and save it. So click on the now using your new email. Let's jump into Gmail itself. Click on the Gmail icon. It is usually at top right corner. As you can see here, click on the Gmail and there you go. You have officially landed in your brand new Gmail inbox. You might see few sponsored or welcome email already there. That's totally normal. From here you can hit compose to send your first email. To check out other tools, like you can go Google Calendar for schedule. You can use it to Google Keep for taking notes. So they have lots of products. Now a couple of tips before you wrap up. First, make sure your password is strong and unique and you can remember it, and definitely enable two-step verification from your Google account setting for better security. To enable the two-step verification, go to security and from here just simply click on the two-step verification and add you have to add a phone number and you have to add a Gmail. Now second, consider creating label and filter early on. This will help you to stay organized and prevent your inbox from becoming mess later. And lastly, keep your recovery option updated. If you change phone number or email, make sure your Google account knows it too. So that's it, your complete guide to setting up a Gmail account. If you found this tutorial helpful, do me a favor, hit the like button, and if you want more simple and beginner friendly tech teach, just simply subscribe to the channel and let me know in the comment box. So thanks for watching.